So this was the original chicken. This was the original fried chicken, and I'm gonna show you the world's hottest chicken after this because this is crazy. Yes, the bag is ready. You see the bag is ready to grease it. As you can see, the world's hottest chicken has a bunch of bread around it. Sausage dripping out the bag. Yeah. Big. The bottom. All the way to the bottom. I'm just gonna do two. I'm gonna do two. This one's brown. I'm just gonna do two, bro. The world's hottest chicken. This one's burnt, so this one's spicier. This one's darker. Darker means spicier. Alright, bro, I'm ready. Hold on. Let me get my reaction for this. Hold on. Alright, bro. Get my reaction. I gotta roll my sleeves up because you know it's might get real spicy. I need it by itself. Want some? Let me try the dark one. Let me try this one. This one's darker. This is hotter. Darker means hotter. We'll try from the back. I'm really sure. How 10 is just like a phone. That's just a 9, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Ooh. I'm gonna juicy, bro. I'm gonna juicy, bro. I'm gonna juicy, bro. Oh my god. Shit hot as fuck, I can't lie. Look at shit hot as fuck. It's like a fucking 10, bro. It's not, it's like a 9. It's just like a 10, fuck, it's a 10. It's a 10 for sure. It's a 10 for sure, bro. It's a 10 for sure. Oh. I'm cool on this, man. I'm cool like this. I'm cool like that. My stomach hurt, bro. My stomach is hurt, bro. Stand by, bro. That motherfucker just my stand by, nigga. I need one more out here, bro. I should drive, bro. Oh my fucking god, bro. I try to be quiet because I got family members in my house. I try to be quiet, but like 10 of these, bro. Back to back. Another 5 minutes, bro. I need 100 likes for this, bro, but I can't. Shit too hot, bro. Shit too hot. Put this shit down, bro. Look at my fingers, bro. I need milk, bro. Next time I'm getting milk for this challenge. Why didn't you tell me I get milk, bro, for this? I'm cool. Don't try to comment down, low, like, and subscribe. I need 100 likes, bro.